The M18 FUEL 12-inch miter saw, from the very get-go, it blew me away. It's got more power. It just cuts way better than every other, cordless and corded 12-inch miter saw that I've used.
I have not had any issues with the power at all. It feels better in a lot of ways than a corded 12-inch miter saw.
The M18 FUEL 12-inch miter saw is definitely lighter than a lot of the corded miter saws we've used.
It's got 2 handles on it. It feels good to move it around the house and, back and forth into the truck.
We didn't have to plug it in. We just pull it out of the trailer, throw a battery in it.
And for that to be able to last me 2 days of doing finished carpentry and making precise cuts with it, it's shocking to me, to say the least.
Puts it through its paces just to see, where the limit was, and we couldn't get the saw to stop.
As I'm coming down, I want to be able to see that pencil mark, and having that LED shadow line is perfect.
The fences are high and they don't get in the way of the motor or anything. You can still have full range of motion.
We have the double bevel slider, so it has everything we need. It worked fantastic. I do want to invest in the tool line because they continue to bring out new stuff and improve on what they already have out.
It's accurate, it's light, it's durable, it's powerful, it's got great cut capacity. It's blown me away in every aspect.